Hey there! Welcome to another episode of English Without Fuss. Today we're going to learn 4 new words in English. And the best part? You'll hear them many times so they stick in your memory. Let's get started. This is a hand. Hand. You use your hand to hold things, write, and wave. Repeat after me. Hand. I can wave my hand. I can clap my hands. You can do it too. See, hands are super useful. Now let's move on. This is a chair. Chair. You sit on a chair when you study, eat, or relax. Repeat after me. Chair. Right now I'm sitting on a chair. What about you? Are you sitting on a chair? Chairs are everywhere. Now let's learn another word. This is an apple. Apple. Apples are delicious and healthy. Repeat after me. Apple. Apple. I have an apple. I can eat an apple, yummy! Apples come in red, green, and yellow. What color do you like? This is a door. Door. You open and close a door to go in or out. Repeat after me. Door. I can open the door. I can close the door. Doors help us move from one place to another. Today we learned 4 new words: hand, chair, apple, and door. Keep practicing by saying these words in your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.